Welcome. In front of me I have MEIZU M6T, and today I will show you how we can clean your micro USB charging port. So at the first I'm going to zoom in to get you better view of this micro USB port. Let's get it like that. And of course you have to prepare some kind of the very thin object, like in my case. You can also use any other household item. So at the first we have to input this item right here from one of the edge. Let's start from the right one. And we have to make moves like that. As you can see, inside we can find dust. And this is, I don't know, it's some kind of the paper probably. Yeah, and dust another time. So when you take a look inside, you can see that right now it's fine. And we are able to input micro USB cable and charge our smartphone or transfer files. Remember to do it slowly, don't break anything here, and remember to make gently moves. Do it slowly and everything will be fine. So as you can see, that's how we can clean your micro USB charging port in the MEIZU M6T. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!